Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Yahoo account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Yahoo account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address yahoo.com and hit on enter. And on the next step, you will be on the home page of Yahoo. Now, in order to log into a Yahoo account, at the top right corner of the screen on this interface, you can see there's a sign in button available for us over here just beside the mail. At the top right corner, click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be redirected to your login page of Yahoo account over here, where you'll be required to enter your username, your email or your mobile number of your Yahoo account, or you can just sign in with your Google account. If you click on the sign in with Google, a login page to your Google account will open, and if you sign into your Google account on that panel, you'll be logged into your Yahoo account with your Google account. And with that being said guys, enter your Yahoo email or your username over here, and after entering your email address guys, click on the next button over here, and a panel will appear or a box will appear where you'll be required to enter the password of your Yahoo account. Enter your Yahoo account password over there, and then the sign in button will be available for you on that step, and you'll be able to log into your Yahoo account from over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to log into your Yahoo account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.